Everyone, welcome back to my channel Computer World, and I'm here again with a new topic. And the topic is about how you can write an article, an assignment, paper, anything on Word without any kind of grammatical mistakes. So we all know our MS Office already have some kind of solving issues for your grammar, but most of the people were searching for more efficient solution. I recommend you guys an application named Grammarly. So Grammarly download for Word, write this in your Google and click on this link and download this like this. Get it in, it is free. Okay, then click here. So it's just about 14.1 MB. Grammarly is an assistant for your writing, and it have an AI power which automatically detect that what's grammatical mistake have in your documents. It's not just about the spellings, it's about any type of error, any type of grammatical error. And click on the exe file which you just downloaded, and let's wait for the setup appears. Let's see. So click on get start. I can uncheck both these. I want for both, so just check both of these and click on installed. So just click on finished. Checking that your Grammarly is successfully connected to your Word document or not. So just open a Word document and check that Grammarly is connected or not. So you can see that here is an option in our menu bar named Grammarly, and it's starting. Just to wait for a while. So you can see that it's done. Just click on open Grammarly, and the side window will be appear here, and this window will be show you guys that what grammatical issue your paper or your document have, and it also recommended you guys that what should be done with that kind of mistakes. So it's checking my document, and it will take a while because my document is quite lengthy. So it shows a lot of grammatical mistakes here, like just see one time there they showed it one time. So just click on the one time, so it's correct your word. So they also show that fix this mistake time, fix the agreement mistakes. Okay, so it's not time, it's times. So like this 8 comma, correct article usage, like remove the. So it is showing you that remove this the. So just click on this. So it's not hide, it's hides. So you can correct all of your documents like this. Like it is showing you that it is not have, it's has. Grammarly is not just used for the Word document or just used for your paper or articles or some type of assignments. Grammarly is used for almost everything: your Gmail, your Google, your messengers, your outlooks, and a lot of more. So if you guys want to know all of these, so let me know in the comment box. And so this is all for today's tutorial. Hope you enjoyed and hope you learned that how to use Grammarly. And if this is helpful, click the bell icon and like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.